This is the month of January 2020 and the date is 1st January. Here, two friends, Tukun and Montu, they are congratulating each other for the new year. Here, Montu.
Yes, now all examinations are over and the new session is going to be started. The new session is 2021 with the upcoming sad news as continued.
What is sad news? What is sad news? The schools are going to be closed. How my boy will study now? Yes, virtual classes will be started. My boy will learn online. Read properly. Yes, schools are closed, but the online classes will be started virtually. See, beta, news is there.
Which news?
The news is it is about your classes that your school will be closed.
Oh,
And new online classes will be started and you learn virtually.
online classes means yes. Papa, I don't have any mobile. What I do? How I will take class?
Yes, you don't have a mobile phone. I will think about it. Okay, beta.
You will give me mobile?
Okay, beta. I will give you a mobile phone. But my dear beta, listen to me.
Yes.
Utilize. I will give you phone.
Yes, yes.
But use your phone
Sure, sure.
positively.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Don't play games.
No, never.
Don't use any other things.
Yes.
Please study and study.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Utilize it in a problem.
Yes, Papa, thank you. I am going to play.
You go better.
Bye, Papa.
It's the month of April and online classes started.
Dear students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Let's start our class today. Please confirm, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't be disturbed. Please concentrate.
Sir, how are you, sir?
Okay, I am fine. But don't disturb both class. I am sharing now my screen. Please check whether the PPT is visible or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All my friends are joining the online class. Please give me a smartphone, please.
Wait. Okay. Do this and I will give you a smartphone. This is the last memory of my wife, and I will sell it for my son's education. Okay, don't cry, my mother. Okay, let's go.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Okay, all are joined. Let's start today's class. Acha.
Okay, sir.
One student is there, Vishnu Pada. Why it is not joining always? Always he is remaining absent.
Sir, I know, sir.
You know.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, he is very naughty boy. He is playing always with the other students. I'm not coming.
Yes, sir. Naughty boy, naughty boy, naughty
How you have collected this much information about Vishnu Pada?
Yes, sir. His name is Pinku, sir.
Acha. I think you are most naughtiest than Vishnu Pada. You are collecting all the information about all the naughty students. Okay, let me disable.
Satukun.
All of you, you are class 10 students and your exam exam is knocking at the door. So be concentrated on your studies.
Sir, Tukun is left.
Okay, silent. Let's start our class. Thank you.
Well,
Okay, class is over. Let me talk with Mr. Vishnu Boda, why is not joining in the class. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Vishnu Boda,
Yes, sir.
why you are not joining in my online class?
Actually, sir, I don't have smartphone.
You don't have a smartphone.
Yes, sir.
Your parents don't have a smartphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me talk with your parents. Please give to your father.
Start.
Why you are not joining in my online class?
Actually, sir, I don't have smartphone, sir.
You don't have smartphone.
Yes.
But students are saying that you are playing at the time of online class.
No, sir, it is wrong.
Wrong. Let me talk with your father.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
yes, sir.
Sir, I heard that you don't have a smartphone for your Vishnu Pada.
Sir, yesterday my boy told I will arrange, sir. I will arrange, sir. Today I will arrange, sir.
Sir, actually, let me request you, in this pandemic, you don't have any other solution. We have to cope up with the changing scenario. So please you arrange on a smartphone. It is hardly 6,000 also you can collect on a smartphone and give to Vishnu Pada because he is having class 10. So he have to study.
Yes, sir. You are very true, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. What I will do, I will call to Mona. Okay. So let us call. Yeah. So much time I thinking. Hello, Raghu. What happened? Hello. How much time you are taking, yeah? Why not?
Yeah, I'm doing the homework, yeah.
Oh man, doing homework is getting work.
If I not do the homework, sir will scold me.
What's wrong? You know, very good things are there. Come to my home, I show you. So many things are there. Tell me.
What there? I'm just coming.
Come. Yes. Come.
Yes, you will happen.
Oh, very good. Have you taken any loans or something taken?
No, I'm not taking.
Have I taken breakfast? I will take it.
No.
Okay, fine. So, what you have asked the reasons? What is the reason you don't know?
No, I have no idea what will say.
Yeah, you have to tell, sir, at my home, network is not there. Good network connection is not easy. Only joining and going.
If you sir will scold, then what will say?
Yeah, network is not with us, so what sir will do?
Okay. It's
How
good
much-
idea, my
how
friend.
much will you do, na?
Yes, good idea.
Geo network is not working. What are you doing?
Yes.
So, okay, you leave it.
Okay, I'm going.
No, listen. I have a tension.
What is in that?
That's the thing. Please give me a suggestion. How to become a pro gamer?
Google, that is what? Is it online game?
Yeah, I need some money.
Money.
How to get?
You can take your father's car.
But it is risky.
Risky not. Well, while your father was sleeping, on that time you can take his father's card and use the UPI pin. So many applications are there, like Google Pay, Phone Pay.
Exactly. OP idea, yeah.
Yes.
Join to the game.
Yes, that's all.
Father, yeah, I'm playing just for 5 minutes.
I have told you I will give you mobile phone only for study purpose. If you are playing games, online games, you know, it is very, very dangerous.
How much time I will study? I'm getting bored.
What I will do? I have always told you, utilize your time in studying.
Give me 5 minutes for replacement.
5 minutes.
I will show you in the report result. Okay. You don't
No,
disturb
but
me.
don't play games.
Okay.
Okay?
Next morning. What is going on? Oh my God! Messages. 50,000 debited from my account. Who has done this? Let me see. Another message. 20,000 gone. What will do? To go on. Yes, Papa.
Have you taken my card?
Good morning, Papa.
Have you taken my card? Good morning.
Which card, Papa?
My debit card?
Which card you are saying?
No, my debit card have you taken? Or my phone, or have you used my phone pay, Google Pay, anything have you used?
Yes. Yes, I have used, but for book ordering a book I have used.
Book ordering?
Yes.
You see message, you see.
I don't know this.
70,000 rupees gone from my
Please,
account.
please listen to me, Papa. Please, please. I have ordered during that time one game is online game is linked with that and so many monies have been
How
transferred.
many times better I
Papa,
say
please forgive me, Mister. I will not do anything else. Please forgive me. I will not do anything else. Please, please.
What do I do?
Now, the time of result declaration of the final board exam. It is going to be declared.
70,000. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
Mr. Deepak Singh?
Yes, sir. I am.
Sir, I am very sorry to say that your ward has been failed now in the board exam. Please take care of it.
My son failed in exam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am very, very sorry to say this. And thank you, sir.
What do I do? My son is playing games. My son, after many suggestions, my son is engaged in playing games. I have told him regularly, I have told him many times, don't play games. But what can I do? I will give him suggestions. Once again I will give him suggestions. I will request him not to. Sir, it is my sincere request, all the parents, members, that be vigilant when your ward is attending the online classes. And
So it is from our family, we are requesting you not to use the mobile phones for the online gaming and stay focused in study. Have nice Diwali.
Wish you happy Diwali and happy Children's Day.